blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, brown color, and green color. Kids, now we draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gray color, orange color, black color, green color, yellow color, light gray color, red color, blue color, purple color, pink color, yellow ochre color, and white color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use pink color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. So now you draw 8 and use gray color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. It's now you draw L and use red color. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use yellow color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use green color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X and use purple color. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, brown color, and green color. Kids, now you draw one and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use yellow color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use red color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16 and use black color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.